Children, in the previous video we have seen how to change the case. Now we will learn how to apply page borders. So for page border you need to click on the third tab, that is page layout. Okay, here you can see in this group, that is page background group, page borders is there. So you will click on this. So I told you that by default the middle tab will be opened, means when you will click on this option, first and the foremost this tab will open. So let's choose any particular setting from here. So right now this border is applied on the page, so let's choose the shadow thing. Okay, we will go to shadow and we will choose a border here. Okay, and width also we can choose. Let's choose this width to 1/4. Color, we can choose colors also. So we have chosen a particular color and then we can click on OK button. So you can see the border is applied here. Fine. This way you can change the border or you can apply the border of your choice. Now, after this we have studied about page color. So here in this page background group only you can see page color is there. So you can choose the color of your choice. As I am taking my mouse pointer to different colors, you can see the color of the page is also changing. Okay, it is looking nice. Let's choose this color. So you can choose the color, and if you have a colored printer, so you can take out the colored printout also, or you can just simply create a document in colored pages and you can mail it to the person you want to. Okay, so this way we can use page color, and then we can set the orientation also. It means how we will be able to see the page or in what way it will print when we will give the print command. So orientations are of two types, I told you. First is portrait. By default your documents are in portrait orientation, and if you choose landscape then it will be chosen like this. Fine, you can see here. In the print preview it will be quite clear. This is this is landscape, and when you will choose portrait it will be like this. Fine. Portrait means lengthwise it will be there, and landscape means widthwise it will be shown to you. Fine, so these are two orientations. You can choose the orientation, but you need to remember that it will be printed in the same manner. Okay, and till now we will study only this much, and then in the next period we will study about page margins. So please, if you can try these things at home on your system, then you can try if you have system at home, and if you don't have, please go through it properly. Okay, so that you can understand these effects and the steps of these. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.